So, welcome back, students, at 4 o'clock lecture.
Hello,
So,
sir.
yeah,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. So, I hope you can able to see my screen. So, I have already posted the question number 2.
Yes,
So,
sir.
I hope I'm going to finish this practical because in this practical it is not there is not much calculation is there. So, one can do calculation very fast and go with that. Okay. So, if you see the question number 2, in question number 2, we have a random sample of 34 college students were selected from a particular college having 648 students in a, at random without replacement. It's a without replacement, and the following results were obtained. So these are the students. I think this is total. If you just count W for I think women and no something no W representing the students from the well-to-do family and representing students not means they are not doing well in that case. Okay. So estimate the number of students in the college. So you have to estimate the number of students in a college who come from the well-to-do family and their variance of these estimates. Okay. So in this scenario, what you can do, what we have given the data here first of all.
Small n equal to 34.
Yes. Small n is equal to
34.
34. Small n is equal to 34 and capital N is equal to
642.
642.
yes 640. And what about A?
सर A34 होगा ना?
No, A is a sample, na? Means out of these,
हाँ.
and so A is representing presence. So remember why it is called attributes, because it categorizes the data. It categorizes the data like pass, fail, well-to-do family, not well-to-do family. So they are basically A. Okay. So that A is nothing but it is a category. So A, I'm representing here the students from well-to-do family. So you need to count because see how you decide A is what. It is based on the question it is in asking. The question here they are asking well-to-do family. Okay, so from well-to-do family, how many A are there? So we need to count how many W are there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
12.
9, 10, 11, 12. So this is total will be 12.
12.
Okay, and now you need to estimate the number of students in the college. You have to estimate the number of students in the college. Okay, so that means actually they are talking about capital N. They are not talking about small n. Okay, so uh, estimate the number of students in the college who come from well-to-do family. Which is going to be capital A, and the formula which we are already knowing, which is n into capital P, right? N into capital P. But what is the small p here? What is the small p? It is A upon small n,
Small n.
right? So just tell me the value. A upon small n, how much it is?
0.3529.
0.3529. So this is the value of small n, sorry, small p, okay? But you want to estimate this value. You want to estimate this value. Okay. So therefore, estimate of A is going to be n into estimate of P. So, but what is estimate of P? Small p, right? N into this value. So, what is your n actually here? What is your n here?
642.
This is 642 into 0.3529. Just tell me the answer for this.
226.
226.
5618.
Yeah, 56. But this can't be in finger, so in decimal, so we can write 227. So these many students in the college are coming from well-to-do family, and remaining are not coming. So remaining means out of 642, who is remaining, that is basically a not coming from the well-to-do family. And now we need to compute their variance. So how we compute their variance? So variance of A hat is equal to, it's a variance of n into P hat. So it is n square variance of P. I can use small p here. So variance of small p one can get. What is this variance of small p? N square into uh, capital N minus small n upon
Capital N, small n, n minus 1
n minus 1, small p, right?
into p cube.
Yeah. Into p. I think using they can turn off their mic. Okay. So you can just see and just tell me the value of your variance of A hat. You just substitute. What is the answer coming for this one?
2701.143.
Yes, what is the answer?
Four one six 2.85.
Can you repeat once again?
41.
This is tell me directly last answer so that they will
Yes, sir.
verify.
4162.85.
4162.85. 0.85. Just check everybody whether you are getting this answer or not. Huh?
सर ये नहीं आ रहा है आंसर
2701
2700 आ रहा है
Yeah, right. This is not matching. Please check it once again. The students.
2701
Yes. 2701
.1439.
1439. I think this is correct. Just check. I think this one, I hope it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes
Now you can go, just do the calculation. Take 2 minutes to do the calculation so that you can move to the next example. Done. Question number 2 is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the question number 3. And there is some background noises coming. So if it is not necessary, you can turn off. It's getting disturbed to everyone. Yeah. Okay. So let's move to the next question. This is the questions now in front of you. Let me check the question once again, because sometimes when I copy the questions from notepad to wordpad here, the some numbers or maybe some, because alphabets it's changed. Okay, so we can just cross check this. A commerce of a class of 200 students were divided into two groups. So see, again they are talking about the group category. So whenever this situation arises, the problem become the SRS with attributes. Remember, there are so many examples where you get confused between the identifying the problem. So make sure that you can understand problem clearly and you can apply the correct you can say sampling. Okay. So whenever they're talking about category, that means you are going to discuss about the attributes. So and those taking the secretarial practice and those taking the mathematics practice. Okay, students in mathematics group had a following roll number. So some of the roll numbers are given here. Some of the roll numbers are given, and find the standard error of the estimates of the population of find the standard error of estimates of proportion of students taking students when the sample size is 50 used. Okay. So what will be the what will be your sample size? Anyone tell what is sample size?
50
50. Okay. So the sample size is 50. So just take down small n is 50 and capital N is
200.
Yes. So small n is 50, capital N is 200, and these are the students in mathematics. Okay, and they're asking. Can you see? They're asking the estimate of proportion of students taking mathematics, right? So you have to write in capital A. So capital A is how much? How much it is capital A? Is that 78? You need to count these samples. You need to count this can call population, because it is 25 to 31. So I think here only we have a 26, 25, 6 observations here only, and here 56 to 80. Okay.
7 na sir.
7. Here is 7. And once you
Sir?
have, yes, बोलिए.
सर कैपिटल ए इक्वल टू 78 कैसे है? मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू था इसलिए मेरे को पता नहीं चला.
अच्छा, just count this. How many roll numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. और 4 ये हो गया, यहाँ पे 7. तो 4, 7,
हाँ, sir.
11. Then 12, 13, 14, like that. Okay.
ओके सर.
Just count it. It's become 78. And once you have this value, one can find P. P is nothing but A upon N, which is turns out to be 0.39. And one can have P, then one can get it Q, which is 0.61, which is 1 minus P, which is 1 minus P. Right. Now, can anyone tell me why it is capital A, why not small a? Can anyone
सर
tell me?
जैसे विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है सर, रोल नंबर था तो सर
No.
रोल नंबर सर वो मतलब रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. एक ही रोल नंबर होता है एक स्टूडेंट को.
With replacement, without replacement की बात नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे. Why it is capital A? Because capital A representing what? Why not small a?
Students taking mathematics.
सर क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन जो 200 है उसमें से मैथ्स इन लोग ने इतने स्टूडेंट्स ने लिया है,
Absolutely correct. So this is the proper
तो वो
answer.
पॉपुलेशन में से
Yeah. So ये आपका आंसर होगा. Because here if you see here, this small a we are selecting from out of 34. But this capital A which we are selecting from the population, not from the sample. Because sample ही अपना 50 है, so how I can select 78 students? It is not possible. So that's why you don't get confused between the whether it is capital A or whether it is small a. Okay. I hope it is clear to all. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you can find capital P, which is the estimate of proportion of students. So you can get these estimates, and you need to find standard error ka estimates also, right? Standard error of estimates of the power. That means you need to find variance of P hat, which is going to be, we have the standard formula n minus small n upon capital N minus 1 P Q, right? So you have P, you have a Q, and then you can get this.
Zero 0.00364
0.00036
364.
364.
So standard error
Sir,
0.06.
Yes.
हेलो सर.
Yes, बोलिए.
सर विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट के वेरिएंस में कैपिटल n -1 आएगा शायद.
Capital
n -1 अब इनटू n स्मॉल n.
नहीं, वो विथ रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए है.
नहीं
this is without replacement, na?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So I think the formula is going to be changed. क्या formula है? Let me see. Let me see that. Yeah, correct. It is capital N minus one. Absolutely right. So this is small n into capital N minus one. And now you need to substitute the values and get the answer for this. I think then this answer is going to be changed little bit. This will slightly change in the answer, not much difference, because
Yes,
capital,
sir.
yeah, capital and yes, बोलिए क्या आंसर आया?
6 की जगह से 5 वापस
Okay,
बोलती 0.00
हाँ 3
586.
okay, 5 6 fine. And once you have this value, you can get it the standard error variance of. So that is going to be 0.0.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बोलिए.
05.
Sir, I had one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, capital N minus small n upon capital N into n minus 1 into PQ. Sir, ये किसका फॉर्मूला है सर?
Capital N
Minus small n
capital minus small n
upon
upon
capital N
capital N
into n minus 1
into n minus 1.
into PQ.
I think this is under you have to see the theory a little bit. I think that is
Sir,
सर वही
तो फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया? समझा नहीं फॉर्मूला.
कौन सा फॉर्मूला?
सर जो आपने लिखा ना v ऑफ p हैट का वेरिएंस ऑफ p हैट.
हाँ,
हाँ सर, वो छोटा n कैपिटल n
फॉर्मूला
समझ
समझा
में
नहीं.
नहीं आ रहा है सर.
can you able to see this screen? This one?
हाँ यस सर.
Yes, sir.
बाहर तो कैपिटल n है ना सर ब्रैकेट के.
Yeah, it is capital N.
हाँ सर.
But
So,
this
sir,
is
which formula you have written?
this is without replacement, ना?
हाँ यस सर
Yes.
यस.
But I am using with replacement, ना? तो ये आएगा ना?
विदाउट है ना?
विदाउट है सर.
विदाउट
सर विदाउट है सर.
सर.
विदाउट है सर. पहले वाला करेक्ट था सर.
विदाउट है ना रोल
क्वेश्चन
नंबर
में
चेंज
क्वेश्चन में दिया है
रिपीट
without
कैसे होगा?
सर पहले वाला करेक्ट था सर.
पहला वाला करेक्ट था?
हाँ.
सर पहले वाले के लिए फिर स्मॉल PQ चाहिए.
अरे लेकिन ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला ही नहीं दिख रहा है.
सेकंड वाला तो है जिसमें तो n इंटू n स्मॉल n माइनस 1 यूज करेंगे. उसमें स्मॉल PQ ही है.
स्मॉल n इंटू
वो
कैपिटल
सिर्फ
n माइनस 1
एक
किधर
मिनट
है?
वो सिर्फ एस्टिमेट के लिए नहीं है.
Estimate.
वो सिर्फ वेरिएंस है. एस्टिमेट के लिए हैट लगाते हैं ना. एस्टिमेट
दोनों
चाहिए
में लगाए.
हमको.
हाँ.
तो सर हैट के लिए तो सर कैपिटल n इंटू स्मॉल n माइनस 1 है ना सर?
वही
सर pq अपॉन n माइनस 1 विथ रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए सर.
नहीं.
पहले
हाँ वो हैट वाला विथ रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए जो तूने बोला.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
हाँ अभी विदाउट के लिए हैट में तो यही है ना कैपिटल n इंटू n माइनस 1 डिनोमिनेटर में.
बट न्यूमरेटर में स्मॉल PQ है ना.
You have here SRSWR and you have obtained their variance will be PQ upon n minus 1. Then under SRSWOR, you have this answer.
बट सर इसमें तो हैट नहीं है.
सर तो वो एस्टिमेट नहीं होगा ना, वो तो वेरिएंस होगा ना. पर
हाँ.
Because that data is based on not a sample, that data is based on population, na? That's why, because estimate, see, when you have given sample and it is asking to obtain the population, then that capital P had replaced by small p,
Small
right?
p.
But now you have given directly, you have given population. I think then if you have given directly population, then may not here we may not use the, I think then hat, then I think that will be fine. So
सर आप प्लीज एक बार एक्सप्लेन करेंगे.
wait, just a minute. If you just remove this hat, because we have given directly population here, na? So no need to using this hat first of all. Okay, because once we have given population, I'm using directly my population, right?
Yes.
But the formula which here they have written, I think same formula they have written, but how this formula work, that you need to understand. Okay, anyways, what is the formula we have given for capital P? Let's see, what is the formula we have given here for
हाँ सर, फॉर कैपिटल पी यही फॉर्मूला है.
capital P?
हाँ, फॉर कैपिटल पी दिस इज
कैपिटल
द
ए
ओनली
बाय
फॉर्मूला.
कैपिटल एन.
यही फॉर्मूला है.
सर
हाँ.
वेरिएंस ऑफ कैपिटल पी के लिए
नहीं.
ये फॉर्मूला है.
नो ना, ये फॉर्मूला नहीं रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से.
नहीं सर, ये नहीं है
हाँ?
सर, ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है सर.
यही है सर, वेरिएंस ऑफ पी. अगर हैट नहीं है तो
What I have this formula, I have
लेकिन नीचे नीचे चेंजेस हुआ सर.
हाँ
नीचे कैपिटल एन स्मॉल एन -1
अरे
आएगा, कैपिटल एन आएगा.
सर वो स्मॉल पी है ना कि कैपिटल पी, वेरिएंस ऑफ. तभी हम उससे एस्टिमेट करके पॉपुलेशन के लिए निकालते हैं ना,
just a minute.
बिकॉज स्मॉल पी इज एस्टिमेटर.
This is get cancelled and we come up with, I think this is correct. This formula is correct, I think. Just check whether this formula is there not in your notebook or not.
सर उसमें नहीं है सर.
सर
स्मॉल
है.
पी क्यू के लिए सर फॉर्मूला है.
सर नोटबुक में है, लेकिन
हाँ
वहाँ पे है ना
Small
कैप
PQ
की
है.
लगा है.
Huh?
हाँ सर,
नहीं
वही
सर,
मैं
स्मॉल
बोल
पी
रही
क्यू
हूँ.
है.
Small.
अरे
हाँ ये
यार,
देखिए
स्मॉल
सर,
पी
यहाँ
क्यू
पे
के लिए
कैप
फॉर्मूला
नहीं
सर.
है.
Can you see the screen?
किशन.
Can you see the screen?
यस
Yes.
सर.
यस
यहाँ
सर.
पे कुछ तो फॉर्मूला है, बट यहाँ पे स्मॉल पी आपने लिखा है, राइट?
हाँ, और
हाँ.
सर हैट भी नहीं है.
यहाँ पे हेड भी नहीं है, तो
हाँ.
दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर स्मॉल पी.
या
But if you are interested for hat here, estimate of variance of sample proportion, तो ये भी hat होगा, ये भी hat होगा. Are you getting the point?
तो सर फॉर्मूला ही चेंज हो जाएगा ना सर, अगर हैट रहेगा तो.
हाँ, फॉर्मूला चेंज हो जाएगा ना. You have then it is become small. But now we have given this direct data. See, we have proved what sample mean is the expected value, that P is an unbiased estimator of population mean. Huh?
यस.
So your
Yes,
expected
sir.
value of small p is equal to capital P.
यस.
यस.
But in this problem we are never dealing with the samples. तो मतलब वो population नहीं हुआ ना आपका.
हाँ सर, फॉर्मूला पर चेंज हुआ सर वो.
कौन सा फॉर्मूला
सर उसमें सर आगे करो सर, और नेक्स्ट पेज इसमें गई.
जो मैं लिखा है वो
हाँ सर, हाँ
वही तो लिखा है.
ये सर यहाँ पे मतलब स्मॉल पी क्यू के लिए सर कैपिटल एन और कैपिटल एन अंदर स्मॉल एन -1 है. तो कैपिटल पी क्यू के लिए फॉर्मूला ये मतलब डिराइव नहीं किया सर.
सर पॉपुलेशन के लिए फॉर्मूला नहीं होगा ना, क्योंकि हम लोग सैंपल से उसको निकालते हैं ना, तो वो स्मॉल पी ही रहेगा ना, हम कैपिटल पी में चेंज ही नहीं कर सकते ना।
यस सर।
हाँ सर,
हाँ सर, फिर फॉर्मूला फिर वो स्मॉल पी क्यू आएगा।
स्मॉल पी के लिए है ना सर।
Then you take this small. Then take this small p. Then I think then it will work. तो इसका फॉर्मूला
फिर
देखो
this-
मैं. हाँ.
हाँ सर, कैपिटल एन नीचे कैपिटल एन स्मॉल एन माइनस वन आएगा, कैपिटल एन फिर अंदर ब्रैकेट स्मॉल एन माइनस वन।
नहीं सर, अगर हैट नहीं है तो फिर ये बराबर फॉर्मूला है।
हाँ, और हैट लगेगा
हैट
तो
है तो फिर
चेंज हो
कैपिटल एन
जाएगा।
इंटू एन माइनस स्मॉल एन माइनस वन आएगा।
नहीं सर, आपने मतलब सर हैट वाले सर आपने इसका ही फॉर्मूला दिया था, लेकिन कैपिटल एन स्मॉल एन माइनस वन है उसमें नोट्स में।
अरे किशन, हैट के ऊपर देखा जो फॉर्मूला दिया है उसमें तो स्मॉल एन इंटू कैपिटल एन माइनस वन है।
सर
हाँ
फॉर्मूला
सर, ये
आई
वाला।
थिंक राइट है सर। हम
हाँ,
लोग
ये-
स्मॉल ए निकाल सकते हैं ना,
हाँ?
मतलब अगर हम लोग को स्मॉल ए हम निकाल सकते हैं ना डायरेक्टली, कैपिटल एन माइनस ए, तो वो स्मॉल ए ही मिल जाएगा ना,
और कैपिटल एन माइनस
ए। सर क्योंकि आपने जो थियरी लिखा है उसमें दिया है ना।
अच्छा ठीक है, फिलहाल अभी हम लोग इधर फोकस करेंगे. ओके, when we have to complete our task today. Okay, so variance of small p hat, use this formula, you'll come up with this solution, and once you take standard error, then you come up with this solution. Just check whether this number is properly written or not. Just check this number. Is it matching your answers?
यस।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
So let's see fatafat that next question. In a housing survey of city, a sample, and again talking about sample, a sample was taken with sampling fraction 1 by 50. Okay, means you have given small f is
F.
equal to,
1/50।
yeah, small f is equal to small f is equal to 1 upon 50, and the sample consists of 8491 houses, of which 622 627 were found to be defective. So now we have this sample 8491. Out of that, small a is 627,
627।
right?
यस।
And what is your capital N here? You can calculate, na?
यस।
It is 50 into small n. So 8491, which is 424,550, right? Because we know this small f is equal to n upon capital N. So capital N become
यस।
n into 1 upon f. So 1 upon f is given 50. You can calculate based on that. Now what is first question? What is estimated number of defective houses in the city? What is estimated? What is estimated means had number of defective in the houses. That means you need to obtain a hat. So what is the formula for a hat? Capital N into p hat, which is capital N into small p. So what is the small p now in this case? Can you calculate small p here?
0.0740.
0.07
07
0738.
40.
0.0738.
8.
Substitute here. So this is 424550 into 0.0738. You can calculate this value. What will be the answer?
31350.
31350.
किशन तू अप्रोक्सीमेट बोल रहा है?
नहीं, यही है.
Okay. What about second one? We need to obtain what is estimated percentage of defective houses in city.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर 31331 पॉइंट ऐसा आ रहा है.
31.
हाँ सर,
हाँ, सर।
31
पॉइंट में आ रहा है, वही बोल
31.79
रही
है.
थी मैं.
अच्छा 79 है क्या?
नहीं नहीं सर, 3131.79.
313.
31.79.
हाँ.
क्या?
एक मिनट. I'll rub this one and tell me what is the answer. 3133
1.79.
1.79. Is that same answer?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको अप्रोक्सीमेट करेंगे 31332.
32.
पहले की फिर अलग आ रहा था आंसर.
सर वो पहले 0.0740 लिया था, इसलिए ए का वैल्यू, पी का वैल्यू.
40 होगा ही ना.
हाँ हाँ, इसलिए मैंने देखा फिर बाद में.
अच्छा अच्छा. That's why it is coming.
गलती से सर, गलती से ले लिया था सर वो.
हाँ. Okay, go to next one. What is next one? So we need to obtain estimate percentage of defective houses. तो percentage कैसे निकालोगे? So percentage of the defective houses in the city equal to, it's a proportion into 100. So how much proportion we have? 0.0738 into 100. So which turns out to be 7.38. So these many percentage of houses are defective out of a small n, which is 84, means 7% I can say. What about next one? Assign 95% confidence interval for capital P, population proportion. So that capital P is the population proportion, and then A, which is the total number of defective item in the population. Means capital A representing your total number of defective item in the population, and small p ka, capital P ka, you need to obtain the confidence interval. Okay. So how to calculate? To calculate, that is the so that means we need to find first variance of P, right? Variance of P निकालना पड़ेगा आपको.
Yes.
तो वेरिएंस ऑफ P का फॉर्मूला क्या है आपके पास?
PQ upon n minus 1, small n minus 1.
This is with replacement, without replacement? Without, ना?
With replacement का फॉर्मूला सर ये.
Why with replacement you are using here? Houses है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
the houses ko how you can replace it. So see, in the problem they have not mentioned, but you can understand we cannot use it with replacement, right? So small n upon capital n minus 1
small pq.
small p. So if you just calculate these values, just calculate. So you have small p, you have small q, you have this data, right? So if you just check this answer is coming or not. I have directly this answer. So we have a small p which is 0.0738 minus plus minus z alpha y is 1.96 into 7.895 into 10 raised to minus 6. Just let me know whether you are
Yes sir,
getting
same है.
same answer आ रहा है.
Yes sir.
तो आंसर आपका क्या आना चाहिए उसके हिसाब से. Is that answer is 0.06823 and 0.07930 something like that.
Hello sir.
Yes, बोलिए.
7.8900 आ रहा है.
7 point
8900 into 10 raised to minus 6.
नहीं
Variance
सर.
of p.
हाँ वही.
क्या आ रहा है.
7.8900.
How that is depends on the like small p and q, because if you have taken the small p will be up to 5-6 digits, then it will little bit differ. Otherwise uh, if you consider entire p ka value na, like you can take directly small p is nothing but let's take directly 620 upon 627 upon 8491, okay. Small p ले लो into 1 minus 627 upon 8491. Just do the multiplication and then you come up with this solution, I think.
सर क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है?
जो small p हम
सर
लोग
रिपीट.
जो small p हम लोग
627.
ये ले रहे हैं ना, फ्रैक्शन वाला कंसीडर कर रहे हैं ना. Sorry.
Yes.
Instead of considering this one, you consider 627 upon 8491, because क्या होता है ना, if you consider the whole digits ना and
Yes.
multiplication में slightly फर्क पड़ता है.
हाँ.
Okay
तो
sir.
उस सिचुएशन में मुझे लगता है कि ये आंसर आपका मैच होना चाहिए.
हाँ सर मैच.
Check. Are you getting same answer?
Yes sir.
Yes.
So let's move to the next question, which is I think last question. So I think this is the last question for you. Question number 5. So you can check the solution. Oh, why it is writing very small? Okay, now it is writing. No problem. Okay, so it is something related to card problem. How these attributes are used in card problem. So for a population consisting of 52 playing cards, okay, so we have a 52 playing cards. We know the card content total 52 cards. Work out the probability distribution of number of card for all possible simple random sampling of size 2. Okay, so you need to just find probability, right? That is very simple. And verify the mean and variance are given this and this. Means actually you have to show that the expected value of something is equal to NP and the variance is equal to this again. So what you have to do here, you need to just find the probability. Just find the probability. So that is given in the form of table. So okay, before that you need to write some data. So here we have a small a, not small a. What is a small n? Small n is 2 and capital
2.
N is 52.
52.
Right. And you need to draw the uh, probability distribution of number of hearts card for all population simple random sample of size 2. Okay. So need to find A, need to find probability, and then we have because you need to require you want to show that, right? So these two columns just made it extra. Let me, if it is required then I will use it, otherwise I'll cancel it. Okay, so here we have to define A, right? A is your basically you can say presence. So you need to understand A. What will be A? A will be the number of heart card, right? So what could be the A? A will be number of heart card. So and you have to take all possible sample of a size 2. So it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, right? So if it is 0, means out of 13 you are drawing, means you are finding probability of small a, right? So out of 13 you are drawing 0 card. So how many are remaining? 39C2 divided by 52C2. So you need to calculate the probability of this. Similarly, 13C1 into 39C1 into 52C1 C2, and similarly 13C1 2 into 39C0 whole thing 52C C2. So once you get these probabilities, you want to show verify their mean will be equal to this. तो mean आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. So expected value of A निकालना पड़ेगा. Instead of writing expected value of A, you can write here A into P of A. Because if I add up this, I will get the expected A square into P of A. Okay. So here, this quantity will be expected value of A. This quantity will be expected value of A square. And once we have these quantities, you can just work on this and let me know what is the answer. So mean, so your mean is going to be expected value of A, which is, you can write it down. Then we have a variance, which is variance of A, which you can just use the formula E of A variance expected value of A minus E of X का A का whole square. Means here I am using the oh, oh. I hope you can able to find this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. Skip it. Yes, what is the answer? What is the E of X, V of X? Okay, just give me 3 minutes. I will finish it maybe in. So this is just work out, just work out and let me know if answer is matching or not. So this is 0.5 and if you just this value is 0.5 and this is 0.61755 and this value is 0.675. So this is 1. So this is 1 and so this is 2. And once we have 1 and 2, we need to calculate here P, which is A upon N. So 15 upon 13 upon 52
1 by
is
4.
0.25.
Yes.
Yeah, 1 by 4. So your NP becomes N is given how much? 2 into 0.25.
0.5.
It's coming 0.5. And you need to calculate here. You need to calculate n minus small n minus 1 pq upon n into n square. So just calculate these values. This turns out to be 0.36765. This is 3. This is 3, 1/3 one. This is 4th one. So I will say 1 is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 4. Hence, I will conclude this result, which I want to prove it. The mean are given by NP and variance is given by this one. Therefore, expected value of small a is equal to NP, not capital P, so it's not small p, it is capital P, and variance of small a is equal to this one. I hope you can hear me. So I think this is the end of the section. So let me know if you have any query. Let me know if you have any query.
हेलो सर.
Yes, बोलिए. Can you hear me?
सर ये विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है ना?
This is
हेलो सर.
yes, बोलिए. बोलिए, hello.
सर विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है ना ये? हेलो
ये
सर.
हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ. Let me think. This is without replacement. Yeah, this is without replacement. Because if you use
Hello, sir.
with replacement, it's become binomial. Yeah, can you hear me? Am I audible to all or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes there is a connectivity issue is there, so that we have to always face. There is no like we can't do anything with the connectivity problem. So let me know if you have any query related to this practical, and you can watch this on YouTube also. Very soon I'm going to upload this, and I think we have completed the practical number 3rd also. So the next time we'll try to see the next practical, and then we move to the unit 2. So I think today is Saturday, right? And you are all going to submit your next practical. That is your previous practical. Now practical number 2. Very soon I am going to upload the list of students who have completed their practical number 1. Okay. And then next week I will be going to display the practical number 2 who have completed. So this you have to submit till next Saturday. So you have enough time, so you can able to write it down. So if there is no query, so we can end the session. Let me see the chat box if anyone having any query. Okay, very nice.
Yes.
No query. So is there any difficulty? No.
Sir,
Yes, बोलिए.
sir.
Yes,
Hello, sir.
I'm listening. Tell me.
Sir, practical टू आज और कल में ही सबमिट करना है क्या?
Practical number 2 till Saturday you have to submit ना. 1 week का time दिया था ना बेटा. This is practical
Sir,
number.
practical 2 का एक क्वेश्चन जो आपने आज कराए हो.
हाँ.
This is practical 3.
या.
practical 2 कब सबमिट करना है? ये वीक में?
हाँ ये practical 2 का तो we have started.
ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ. Yes. मतलब till this week मतलब actually we have finished the practical 2 last week only. Maybe you can call this week only. and because you have started on Monday, and I told you within a week you have to submit, right? So last questions में थोड़ा difficulty था, or maybe
हाँ but
yeah, while copy and paste there were some mistakes, so that I have taken today. Okay.
वो
Okay, so you just finish it.
okay
You finish it. This question number fifth one in that is a practical number 2, and upload it, which I have given the link. Okay, and the question practical number 3 we will you can
okay
we
sir
will you
Okay,
can
sir.
submit next week. No problem. So I hope is there will be if there will be more query, you can just text me. Very soon I'm going to update with that text. Okay, so good luck. We'll see you on Monday.